Hello everyone, this video demonstrates the Clover Foorir integration application. After signing into Clover Merchant account, click on the apps and select the Foorir Clover application. To install the app, click on the Connect button. By clicking on the Connect button, the app is automatically installed on the Clover device. When the user clicks on the Connect button, Clover authorizes the application to open the dashboard. The dashboard provides real-time and historical visitor counting information collected from the Clover device. The user can filter data into the device today, this week, this month, and also custom date range. All information displayed on this dashboard is received from the Clover device, processed through the middleware platform, and presented within the Clover application.